What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Last video you guys saw, we took the Cybertruck and the S650 out to the drift track. Last night we made it back. The Cybertruck's been doing so freaking good, so today we decided to take it a step further in testing its capabilities. But before we go, the Cybertruck isn't the only thing that we're testing out today. We had to have some kind of a benchmark to see if the Cybertruck is an actually good off-road vehicle or not. So we stacked up the very best off-road vehicle that I have compared to the Cybertruck. So let me go grab that real quick. Hang on.
Oh my gosh! What an entrance!
Not right off the rip, the Kia damage!
What an entrance you just made!
Oh
my gosh! Brother!
The whole tree is gone!
It's gone! Brother!
You know what that was? That was the escalated intro to Junk of the Month. Welcome to the first episode of Junk of the Month featuring the Kia. I actually, on God, until 30 seconds ago, planned on keeping this vehicle for a very nice street vehicle. However, and it has permanently damaged the unibody to the car. Oh, the car is calling the cops because it thinks I got in a crash.
Oh no, it's doing that.
Yep, no, we're good. Yep, we're good. Wow.
That happened.
Can you park here? The whole tree folded in the driveway too is just nuts. I had a little bit of fear today if we were gonna accidentally come into contact with a tree. Let's see if this will open.
Careful, if it does get open, it might never get closed. Oh no, I think you're good. Nice, dude, it didn't even break the glass. Oh no, she's dead.
If you don't drop a like and a comment on this video, it just kept going. I was like, wait, stop going. How did it slide?
You're going downhill.
How the did it slide from here?
You're going downhill.
Tree.
You're going downhill.
This is so far.
Yeah, on grass too.
I was only going 10.
Fuck. Okay.
Go stream my new album, Come Back.
Turn left. Oh, he's running it back. Watch out. No! He just did the rollback on the tree! Oh my gosh!
To the off-road park.
A sound which all over the world heralds the imminent arrival of a moron.
About the finest off-roading vehicles.
Yeah, we're gonna park both of them out front so they can see them plain and clear. 2 off-roading tickets, please. We have arrived. The Kia looks interesting. Dude, what?
Oh my gosh, that was pretty smooth. I think the Kia could have made it up that even if it wanted to.
Let's see it then. This dude ain't finna make it up that. Oh! What? Okay. All right, on to the next obstacle. Dang, that's pretty crazy. That was right off the rip.
Just a little warm up or something like that.
I'm kind of shocked that the Kia just did that, and it didn't even flatten the exhaust that we put on. That's nice. Oh no, where did?
Yeah, the exhaust tips.
Center mount.
Check it out.
Center mount. Should we do a little drag race?
All right, let's line it up, brother.
2 seconds and then hit to the red bucket.
I think that's a good race.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
I got dusted.
Bro, it's the traction control kicked on and it literally forced the car to grip and just go.
Damn.
On the
It
dirt.
went.
It went.
It went good.
You keep going crazy.
You're up for now. How the hell? I was literally crab walking around spinning all 4 tires, trying my best to keep up with him, and that little Kia was going. Let's see how the old Cybertruck climbs. This is a pretty steep one. This is definitely, we're increasing in intensity slowly but surely. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it is so heavy that it'll just like literally slowly drag itself up. Oh, no way. This is a cheat code. Oh my gosh. This should be easy. Can I borrow?
Shit, you got that.
Here we are. Yeah, oh Kia. I ain't even stressing. That hey.
Sending it a lot harder than I was planning on.
We made it. No airbags went off, and it barely even bogged. We did get a little kiss on the exhaust, but
We've kissed the exhaust every single bump on this trip, so.
oh my gosh.
Bro, easy.
It doesn't even seem difficult for it whatsoever.
It's driving like it's on the highway. Did that.
Good stuff. Wow.
Cybertruck was extremely smooth. Kia was surprisingly
Capable.
capable, yeah. That's
Capable.
the word.
For a Kia Soul, that thing actually does pretty good off-road. That's a shot.
You wheelied a Kia Soul today.
That was cool. Twice. There's got to be something here that'll stop it, right?
We'll find something.
We'll find something. Airbags are popping, or the car's gonna flip, or we're gonna dent the other side in. That's the only option, so stay tuned. Bro, you with the cowboy hat and all the pink in there is hilarious. Look at that little thing go. Oh, it's gonna stop. It's gonna slide. Oh God, not into the, okay. At least you stopped it. We are definitely getting into some stuff now. As crazy as all of these obstacles have been though, what is right up here around the corner is literally the very, very craziest thing yet. We're about to go climbing. All right, let's go walk it by foot. Let me see what it's looking like. That's very tall. You think the Kia's got it?
Oh shit.
Oh man, this is quite a lot for a Cybertruck. Oh yeah, this is aggressive for a Cybertruck. Oh my God. Oh my God. No way right now. I wish that you could even see how far back we were tilted right now. Dude, this is crazy. Typically, whenever we're off-roading stuff, the torque converter's got to bind, it's got to rev up a little bit, and then it's slipping. But this, you can exactly dial in the amount of power and torque that you want. Wow, I'm actually shocked at that. I've been to this exact same spot in a 392 Jeep that I had back in the day. I had a TJ Jeep, which is supposed to be the best off-road. We've had a Hummer H3 here. Oh my gosh, we've had so many different things off-road. Oh. In that exact same obstacle just now, and nothing that I've taken out here has climbed as easy as what that just did. Until the it's gonna do it like it wasn't even a thing.
I'm not worried.
He's not worried about climbing one of the most difficult challenges at the off-road park in the Kia Soul. That ain't even a concern. You gotta make sure that you're careful with your own self, but don't worry about the car. The goal is just to get to the top.
Value myself over everything else.
Everything else.
Get the car up the hill though.
Yes, but be careful with yourself. Rally car! No way! No way! No! No!
I don't want to hear a single thing about another Kia Soul ever again. That's the most capable car I've ever seen.
What?
How did it just do that? What?
What?
We did that.
Oh, the mirror!
No.
Yes!
We did damage.
Dude, nice work. Oh shit. Well, let's keep on. I'm having trouble doing anything in the Cybertruck that the Kia Soul cannot. So far the Cybertruck seems a little pointless. There's no way that little thing. Yeah, it hasn't even, okay. We have to go slower than that does.
This ain't nothing.
That's crazy. There's no way the freaking Soul is getting through this. I'm a little concerned about us getting through this right now. Oh my, this is a car. I'm about to get dusted, I think. No, come on now. In a Cybertruck that I paid $121,000 MSRP on. How? It literally barely even. Okay, a little, you know, a little nutting for the Cybertruck. See how the old Kia does.
Easy.
See how far you can get up there.
Don't do that. Do you want to hump out?
Oh. No, f you. No, bring it down with some speed. Oh yeah, oh shit. I'm impressed. We've watched people.
Oh my gosh.
Right? What the hell? Well. Altering slope, S curve.
Oh, with a little bit
uphill. Ruttage.
Ruttage.
Ooh.
Ruttage sucks.
It's because you ain't got the ground clearance. All I got's ground clearance.
But I got a Kia Soul, that's where you don't.
You do have soul. This doesn't really have much soul.
I do have soul.
That is in the name.
No, I'm not, that's not getting pulled today.
Okay. Dang, it's pretty steep once you're coming up it though. Actually, we can see the angle, I forget. Let's see what we peak at. We're at 14, 15, 19 degrees in the freaking Cybertruck. Holy crap. Yeah, this is a very, very steep one. Just about 20 degrees the whole way up that. And it levels out to about 15 right here. So quite a good bit of variation in slope. Dang, dude, he's gonna have trouble. We probably just climbed like another 200 feet of elevation. Oh yeah, there you go. Now you can really just see how high we climbed.
And this is the two-step anti-lag zone. And then from here, we and then we're up inside.
I could be wrong, but this looks like one of the most aggressive things of the day. This is definitely the most aggressive obstacle, I would say.
This is definitely the biggest and most steepest and longest obstacle with the biggest ruts that we're putting the Kia Soul through for sure.
Yeah, this will break the axle or pop a tire, or we'll make it to the top.
Do I have liberty to clutch dump when needed?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
It's got a good clutch in it.
All right, well.
God, I'm low-key nervous. Oh God, Riley, come here. Oh shit, rallying.
Oh, she's getting it, baby.
Rallying. Oh my God. Oh, dude, you made it all the way.
Let's go!
Oh my God, dude.
Yes, freaking the units.
I am stunned at the freaking soul. It doesn't even feel that rough in here.
No, it feels so good.
I mean, it's just like a little off-roading rig.
Dude, it feels so smooth in here. It feels smoother than the nice Jeep that you had, the TJ that you had, all of my trucks that I've ever off-roaded. Like, the only thing that feels somewhere close is a pre-runner. It just feels like it doesn't have as much travel.
The soul is an absolute ripper on the Pirellis, dude. We don't even need 10 plies on her. Next up, we've got double reds. It's one of them ones.
Dude, what do you mean? Kia's got that easy.
We're just gotta be very careful because this is very heavy, so it's gonna want to slide down this hill. If we do slide into a tree, just know I'm sorry in advance. The Great Goliath goes downwards. This is the best way that you can see the varying levels here.
What's popping?
Oh, f***. Oh, f***. Oh, f***. Oh, f***. Let's go. Oh my God. He's gonna hit it again with speed, I bet. I know Poe. He learned his line this time. Now he's gonna come back with some aggression. Oh shit, dude. God, this dude.
I just want to say this is the coolest off-roading vehicle that you can buy.
This is quite actually.
You need to hit that.
It is pretty supreme to everything. Wow.
You're telling me that this thing can hit every trail out here?
I've not seen anything that this couldn't hit so far.
That you need to do that from a driver perspective. It literally looks like you're about to drive off a cliff. Oh yeah, hit that thing. You're gonna go right. Oh! Right, yep, hit it. Left. Oh! For it! No! She's stuck! No, you can actually make it out. So hear me out. Floor it in reverse and then to the left. Right now, floor it and drive and to the left. Floor it, floor it, floor it. Ah! No! Okay, do the same thing, same thing. Oh my gosh! Send it! Send it! Yes, sir! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! Wow, this just came out of nowhere.
What is that? Some glasses. Yo, some spectators. Some speculators, brother.
Why do they look so legit? Why were these under the seat?
These have got to be like theirs.
These were under the seat. we did get in a whole ass accident.
Yeah. I wasn't hanging when I handed it over.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my.
Holy shit.
Wait a minute.
There's so much key over here, bro. What did you do? I just wanted you to hit it.
That's what y'all hit, like the front end does.
There's pieces of Kia everywhere.
How the did we lose the skid tray, the fender liner, like half the car is on here?
Exhaust, got a little custom work done to it. Check it out. It used to be right about here. Now it's a little flat. It's over there.
Crazy enough, the Kia survived quite a bit today off-road, except for the front end. Yeah, the Kia. Oh no, where did?
Yeah, the exhaust tips centered now.
Center mount?
Check it out.
A center mount. Did you notice the capacity of the fuel tank is relocated as well?
The capacity of the fuel tank. Oh, I see.
It's almost dragging the pavement.
It is dragging the pavement.
I just got a new trailer hitch put on it, and the trailer hitch is now rotated. Everything on the... We've made it back home, but it looks like a freaking war zone over here. Oh my. Guys, obviously this video was pretty rough on old Kiki here, but absolutely nowhere close to what the next few episodes of Junk of the Month with the Kia are about to be. So I suggest you hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and comment down below what you want to see happen to this car. You can comment anything, we might choose your idea for the next coming episode. Don't forget, our 20 times entry event is still live only for the next few days to win our C8 Corvette plus $10,000 in cash. So go over to itsjustasix.com, check out our new products, and for now, I'll see you guys next upload.